Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use the month function in Google Sheets. If you're dealing with dates and want to quickly pull out just the month from a set of dates, maybe to group transactions by month or analyze patterns, this is a super handy trick to know. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to extract months from any list of dates in your sheet with confidence. Let's dive right in. Say you have a table with a column labeled transaction date, and you've got dates like 2025-01-15, 2025-02-03, 2025-03-22, and so on listed underneath. Maybe this is your expenses, order history, or a record of project milestones. What you want is to show just the month part, like January, February, March in another column, so you can easily sort, filter, or summarize data by month. Here's the magic. It's super simple with the month function. First, pick a blank cell next to your first transaction date. Let's say your dates are in column A, starting in row 2, so you're working in cell B2. Click on that cell to make it active. Now type this formula. Equals month A2. This tells Google Sheets, hey, take the date in A2 and give me just the month as a number. Go ahead and press enter. You'll see a number pop up. If your date was 2025-01-15, it'll display 1 because January is the first month. If it's 2025-02-03, you'll see 2, and so on. Now let's make this magic work for all your dates, not just the first one. Move your mouse to the small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell where you just entered the formula, that called the fill handle. When you see your cursor turn into a plus sign, click and drag it down so it covers all the rows where you have transaction dates. Release the mouse and boom, Google Sheets automatically updates the formula for each row, pulling the correct month number from each date. If you had 6 dates, you'll see 6 numbers, each showing the month for its corresponding date. And if you're wondering, why does it return a number, not the month name? That's because the month function is designed to give you the numeric month. So 1 means January, 2 means February, all the way through to 12 for December. If you want to turn those numbers into month names eventually, you can always add another step or use formulas like text, but for grouping or calculations, numbers are often easier to work with. Sometimes your dates might not be formatted properly and you might get an error. Don't worry if that happens, just double check the cell format. Google Sheets works best when your dates are true date values, not just text strings that look like dates. One more tip, if you ever need to copy this formula further down the road, remember you can double-click the fill handle and Sheets will fill the formula all the way down as long as there's data in the adjacent column. It saves a lot of time. So there you have it. You now know how to use the month function in Google Sheets to pull out the month from any date quickly and easily. Try it on your own data and see just how powerful a simple formula can be in making sense of your information. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, share it with anyone else who works with dates and sheets, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.